Welcome to superareas.com. Another quick video. Tuesday, December 3rd, 8:36 p.m. Eastern. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update for the new version 1.07 that just got released half an hour ago Eastern time. And let's look at one of the change logs we have done for this. So 1.07 December 3rd, 8 p.m. Eastern. We have added the market base, market pressure, strike prices for morning, and 5 more markets: copper, silver, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and FTX, of course, both in micros and minis. And I've simplified the test. So this is version 1.06 running. As you see, this market is for NASDAQ. And I've added a couple more indicators. One is called the time remaining, because if I'm looking at the 30-minute candle, I quickly, instead of glancing here, I know when it's a countdown on exactly when the bar will close. And as you guys can see, I have a couple of more indicators. So my algo and the bar timer, price lines, momentum, etc., some optional things. So let's remove, first let's go and download 1.07. We're going to go in right here on the home page. Let me refresh, click download. There you go, it got downloaded 1.07. Let's go and remove this indicator. Let me remove the 06 right here. Remove, done. And let's go and remove it from my Ninja assembly as well. So you have to remove the previous version in order to install the new one. 1.06, let's remove it. Done. I've removed it. I will install. I will close it, and let's log in back to Ninja again. So now we're supporting 15 markets. So of course we have ES, we have NASDAQ, we have Dow, we have Russell, R2K, RTY. We have gold, we have crude oil, natural gas, CAD, USD, we have Euro, USD futures, and we have GBP, USD. So so that's 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And next is coming is copper, silver, and we'll do FTX and BTC and ETH, Ethereum. So 5 more market, totaling 15. It's coming through it. So there you go. So new chart, it's all blank, there's nothing added. I will right click. First I gotta import the new file that I've done. Add on. So 1.07. Imported, all good. Right click, indicators. If you want to add a bar timer, if you just go down here, it says bar timer, price line, momentum, whichever you find useful, it's all there. So let's add the 1.07 indicator, super areas, levels. As you see, it says 1.07, and my authentication, username, password, authentication. So let's do it. Let me log in, and it's pretty instant. So the changes, of course, connection, your IP address you're connecting from. It tells you this is morning areas, Tuesday, December 3rd for today's. Tells you the market, symbol, exchange, and the contract we are trading. Your base, your pressure, your low strike price. If so 20,020 should change the symbol and the version. And of course, nothing major change. If this bar time remaining is coming from an indicator called bar timer, and I have a bit of a momentum here, another indicator. So you can add this to 15, 10, 30, 20, any chart you like. But if you add this to, for example, let me pick a chart. Let's see if I can do This is our template of 30 minutes, and a little bit higher in terms of value areas and true highs and lows. It shows you can add this to any chart whatsoever. This is a 30-minute chart. This one is a 30-20. So if I add this to 30-20, you guys will see what happens. So add this indicator. So let's say I want to do same indicator, but I want to add it to a 30-20 chart because it's a Renko bar. It's not a candle bar. And if I press OK, as you see, it gets pretty squished because what it is doing, it's plotting all the way extreme high, all the way down to extreme low, all 8 zones, and then you won't be able to see anything. To fix this, it's a very easy fix. So you go right click, you go onto indicator, and then we have this thing called auto scale. Just turn it off right here on auto scale and press OK. So it will fix this. Let me try it one more time. Indicators, auto scale. Actually, I picked the wrong one. Pivots is not. You have to go to this one, super areas algo, and just turn off auto scale. Press OK. So it will fix it, and now you know you're inside the R2 range at the moment. So if you scroll up and down, you can see all the levels, but the charts won't get squeezed. So by default, if you go right click again, indicators, go to the super areas algo, and if you turn on auto scale, it will put all these values. So this is the chart. It's supposed to go on a 30-minute or 15-minute or 60-minute candle, not in the Renko bars that we have created for you. So don't use this on 30-20. If you want to use this in 30-20, don't plot all 8 areas on the chart. So go back to indicators right here and go to super areas algo and just turn off auto scale. There you go. I will fix it. So if you want to plot it there, that's great. So the moment the price hits, you can do it. I like to see this on a rather 30 minutes or at least 15 minutes, and then you guys can see. And here, even on this chart, if you don't want to see everything and you want to see a full size of the candle, for example, if I go this to and do this on a 15 minutes. All right, the candle gets squished because it has to load all the 8 areas plus some other things. Even if you want to do this in a 1-minute candle, it is very difficult to see. So all you have to do is right click, go to indicators, go to the algo, and turn off right here auto scale, and it will fix it for you. So now you have the 1-minute candle, and now you know it's sitting in. So I go back to 5 minutes. There you go. Now you have a little bit of bigger thing. Let's do this on 15 minutes. Much easier to see. In 30 minutes. Even easier to see. 60. Okay. Then you have, of course, range. You can do volume, you can do hour, you can practically do anything. Perfect. So it's automatic. So this is MNQ. I will right click, I will do a duplicate, and let's do ES. And it will plot everything. And for ES, if I want to see everything, go back to indicator, and I will say right here. Now it plots everything for you, all the areas. I want to do this in Dow Jones. There you go. All the areas got plotted. I want to see this in Russell. So from the server, it's pulling up the the correct date, correct market, correct. So now you know which month to be traded right here. December 2020, base is down, pressure is down. And if the price goes below 25, 24, 25, that's where you know your trend could change. Right here, let's do futures and crude oil. Crude oil is January. There you go. 4 levels for crude oil. Let's do gold. GC. There you go. Levels. So natural gas. NG. Do a CMNG. I gotta add natural gas, so let's go to tools, instrument list, futures, add NG, natural gas, apply, and if you want to do this at micro, I'm not sure it's there. Let's add MNG here. So there. Okay. Gold. Let's duplicate. And let's do MNG. Futures. NG. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do pairs of some. Let me duplicate natural gas. And let's do futures 6B. Levels are there. Let's do another duplicate tab. Let's do futures and 6 euro. There you go. 4 levels. One more time. Duplicate. I think I gotta add instrument of Canadian futures, so let's add 6C, and one more time. So duplicate in the new tab. Futures 6C. Perfect. So all 10 markets are ready. All you have to do is just cycle through them quickly. At a 60-minute, maybe you don't want to. You want to scale some, you don't want to scale auto scale other ones. In this case, MNQ is right now is R2, and I want to see how far. I want to see all the areas for MNQ. So I'll go back to indicators, and super areas I'll go, and I will turn on auto scale. I will compress the chart and now have an idea exactly where extreme high, expected high, R2, R1, S1, S2, and all our custom levels are there. There you go, 10 markets based on your flavor. NASDAQ, S&P 500, Dow Jones, Russell 2000, crude oil, gold, natural gas, USD and British pound, USD, euro USD, or in Canadian USD. So 5 more markets. I will add that right now. It will do the micro Bitcoin, it will do FTAX, it will do Ethereum, it will do copper, and it will do silver. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching.